What? Yeah, I'm pretty. I don't know why, but look, I got wings. Where's the butt though? Where is it? It's still missing. I put papers with my phone number on the trees outside. Yeah, asking for, have you seen my butt? But so far, nobody called me back. I'm starting to think it's forever lost. Where could it possibly be? I'm sure my butt is somewhere out there, really scared, alone, and cold, freezing. Maybe it's in Brazil. No. I'll give it a hug if I find it. No. If you find it, you should fucking call me. Eh? Wait, what happened? I lost my fucking butt. You should know that. Here. See, the thing is you don't see anything because it's not there.
Oh, arigato.